Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteDisplay E234d. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteDisplay E234d won't connect via USB-C, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a faulty USB-C port or cable, often leading to frustration and disruption in your workflow. If left unchecked, it could worsen, potentially causing permanent damage to your monitor's connectivity options. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a screwdriver set with both Phillips and flathead options, a plastic pry tool, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrostatic discharge, and a replacement USB-C port specific to the HP EliteDisplay E234d. Start by ensuring your monitor is unplugged. Using the plastic pry tool, carefully insert it into the seam of the monitor casing. Gently work your way around the edges to release the clips without damaging the plastic. Once open, locate the USB-C port on the main board. This is where the connection failure usually occurs. You may find it secured with a couple of small screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, applying a moderate force to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the cables attached to the USB-C port. Take your time with this step to prevent damage to nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully extract the faulty USB-C port from its housing. Take your new USB-C port and align it with the existing connections. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they're seated properly. Once everything is connected, secure the new port with the screws you previously removed, again being cautious not to over-tighten. Now, it's time to close the monitor. Align the casing and gently press the edges together until you hear the clips snap back into place. Before you plug it back in, double-check that everything looks secure and properly connected. Finally, plug in your monitor and test the USB-C connection. If it connects successfully, congratulations! You've fixed the issue. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure you regularly check your cables for wear and tear, avoid yanking them out forcefully, and consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power spikes. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.